Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here. I was hoping you guys could help me out, actually. What I have today is a Casablanca Hampshire, and I bought this fan back in 2007 or 2008 when my parents had the addition built onto their house. I was living in a couple thousand miles away at the time, so I had it shipped in. I bought it and had it shipped. So I really don't know what year this fan is. That's when I bought it, so it's at least 8 or 9 years old now. But they didn't get around to installing it, I think, until like 2011. So it's been installed for 5 years. Yeah, and it makes a grinding sound. I have no idea why. I was hoping you guys might be able to help me out as to some of the reason behind it. If it's strictly just an auditory sounds and nothing more, I'm not going to worry about it because it doesn't really bother my parents that much. But if it's something mechanically wrong with it, I'm going to need, that could pose a hazard. I'd really like to have it either. Hoping you guys should shed some light on it. Otherwise, I might have some, Otherwise, I'll just replace it with something else. But I don't want to have to do that because they love this fan. So, and I kind of like it, But yeah, have a listen. I think it's actually more prominent on reverse. So let me reverse it. And I checked the blades, they're all screwed in tightly. I didn't see any rubbing, as far as as far as I can see, in the fan, but it definitely seems a lot louder on reverse. Hear that as kind of a grinding. Yeah, so any of you can shed some insight on it, I'd really appreciate it if you wouldn't mind. And check out my page, my YouTube page, The Fan Cave, and my Facebook page, also called The Fan Cave. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day, good night, and good luck.